Good morning, David here with Weekly Wheat Look. Today is Friday, 25th of January 2013, and as usual we're looking at November 2013 UK wheat chart new crop. And we've got at the moment in front of us, I've just got a recap of what we saw on the 10th of January, just after Christmas, before we had this recent rise. And you can see here that I got two arrows I indicated on this chart here of what I thought was going to happen. We were either going to go up and test 188 and then come back down again, or we were going to break out through 188 and go back up, take out the 50-day moving average here, 190, and go up to test the highs. And I just bring up what we've got at the current set of time. And here we are with the current map chart at the present moment. And you can see that I've indicated the two arrows here what I thought was going to happen. And obviously what we've come up to do is we've come up and taken out this recent swing high of 188. We had the breakout through the 50-day moving average, went up to test 192. We had a closing above there, so we had confirmation, but we've run out of momentum. And basically if you drop then down to the stochastic chart down below here, you can see that quite clearly. I've got three red circles marked on here, and you can see that they indicate the recent highs in the market: November, December, and now in January. See here, here, and here. So we've got a sell signal starting to come on the stochastic. We've got a breakdown through the 50-day moving average. We've broken the 10-day moving average and closed below it last night, and now all we've got left is a 20-day moving average here at 186. I expect a bounce from there today, but if we break that, then we've got a downside target here of our bottom of a last swing low here of 180, and we're still looking at our old friend here back of the gap we left in the middle of October at 178, which we failed to fill last time we came down here. And I've also marked to try and identify the trend at the present, short-term trend here. These two trend lines, obviously we've got now a high here, and unfortunately we've got a lower high here, and we've got a low here, and we've got a lower low here. So definition of a trend, short term, we have got a bit of trouble on this chart at the present moment. Obviously this all reverses if we take out this swing high here, 192, and then we look at, back up the highs again at 200. So my indications are for next week that if we break this 186 and we get confirmation of a closing close below this, and also we got the stochastics now coming down through 50, we've got momentum, then I see that we probably look to go and test the lows. But obviously, as I said before, if this now reverses the other way and pops up through here, then we look at the highs. So obviously, as usual, we've got to let the market show us the direction at the present moment. I just come on here just to show this in a long-term chart perspective. You can see here where we've coming down, we've got this high here, and we've got a lower high here, and we've got a lower low here. You can quite see clearly on this chart here. Just come to a longer time frame to have a look, see looking forward. I've put an indication on here. I've got the 50-day moving average is in blue, the 100-day is in red, and the 200 is in green. You can see here quite clearly that the market came up and tested this 50-day moving average, broke through it, closed through, but couldn't hold and has broken down. And you can see here this 100-day moving average comes to 183, and you can see here that we've got the 200 down at 171. Now if I just show you this same chart as in America, you can see this is the CBOT market for December. 50 in blue, you can see this was broken in early December. It then broke through the 100-day moving average, and it's now come down, broken through the 200-day moving average, come up and test it, couldn't hold, and now it's down here at 807. And the stochastic is already down here at 55. We're on the UK, we're up here at 77. So you can see a completely different picture of a chart pattern on the US market than the UK at the present moment, and we are quite, you know, the comparison is we're quite still above the US market at the present moment. So obviously we just got to let the market show us the way for next week. Our targets are in place, and just see how it unfolds. And obviously the key will be this 186 or 192 to give us the next swing direction as we go. And thanks for watching. I'll put that back this time next week. Thank you.